You can tell me anything you want, I'll forget about it. Tell me what.
Good morning. Happy hump day, y'all. So I'm about to make me some breakfast um, and some coffee. So let me just show y'all what I'm making right now. So I'm just making some sausage in the air fryer. So yeah. So, all right. So yeah, I'm making me some sausage in the air fryer. Um, and I'm gonna make me some coffee. But yeah, this is my work from home week. So, what in the world? Okay, we'll fix that in a minute. But yeah, so yeah, I'm making that. And for dinner, I'm going to make some, let me show you. I'm going to make some shrimp fried rice and wings. So, I have my wing defrosting. I have my shrimp defrosting. And I already made my rice. I'm going to put it in the refrigerator so it can be like room temperature. And yeah, I'm going to make my coffee in just a minute. I got to wipe this off. But yeah, I hope y'all are having a happy hump day so far. And I will talk to you guys in a minute. Okay, y'all. So this is what I made. Some egos, some sausage, eggs. And I got my coffee, of course. So yeah, I'm about to put some syrup on here. I'm just using some log cabin syrup to put on now. And we are good. Quick little breakfast. Boom. Hey y'all, I'm back again. I am watching YouTube videos. I was making sure my video is scheduled to post today, so make sure y'all got y'all post notifications on so y'all can know every time I post a video. So yeah, I haven't been that busy today at work, thank God. So I've just been finishing up some stuff I need to do, preparing for another video I need to film. Trying to be more consistent and yeah, trying to stay on myself about that. So yeah, I'm just watching some YouTube. I'm cleaning up, putting up stuff, taking up stuff. So yeah, I just wanted to come back and check in with y'all and pop in to let y'all know what was going on. I'll probably be back later tonight. I'm cooking some wings and I'm making some home. Like I was saying, I'm making some chicken wings tonight and I'm making homemade shrimp fried rice. I love homemade shrimp fried rice. It's so good. Yeah, so I'm gonna make that for us for dinner tonight. It's quick to make too. I cooked the rice this morning, so all I have to do is make it into shrimp fried rice and cook the shrimp, the other stuff. But that's it. I'm just watching some YouTube, catching up on some people, and I will talk to y'all later. I may be back because me and Babe may run some errands once he gets home from work. I don't know yet. Haven't decided yet. But I just wanted to let y'all know that, and I'll be back later. Bye.
One eternity later.
Hey y'all, I'm back. Okay, so I'm about to start making dinner. Um, these are my jumbo shrimp, and this is the steak. Decided to do steak and shrimp fried rice. I just wanted something different. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and put this steak in. I'm gonna let this cook first. Um, in my pan. Yeah, so I'm gonna let that cook first. And I got my chicken seasoned. I'm about to make that. So yeah, I will be back when I make some progress. Alright, y'all, so I have added in my eggs, my shrimp, and my steak. Soy sauce, garlic, onion, pepper. I'm just mixing it. Yeah, I'm just mixing it around. Got my chicken going. Alright, so I just finished. Chicken is out. This is Babe's plate that I made. Fried chicken wings, shrimp fried rice. Their own homemade Chinese food. Yep, I'm just waiting on the rest of the wings. But yeah, that's what we got. Hey y'all, so we are in Walmart doing some shopping. Um, Stuff that we need for the house. Um, so yeah, that's all we got so far. Paper towels, toilet paper, bread, eggs, sugar. I'm making some peanut butter bars, so I needed some of this stuff. Um, yeah. Hey y'all, so we are back from the store. So I'm just gonna show you guys what we picked up from Walmart and Aldi's. We just got a couple things. We still have to go to Sam's and get like other stuff, but this is just the stuff that we got today. Good morning, y'all. I am heading into Publix. I love coming in Publix early in the morning when they open because they just open at 7 and it's 7:07. So yeah, I got these little fuzzy slides on. It's not that cool this morning, so yeah, I'll let y'all see what I got when I get in. Okay, y'all, so I'm in the store now. This is what I've gotten so far. A couple of things I need to get. So yeah, I'm just looking at the little sales paper. Yeah, so that's that. Oh, yeah, I remember manwich. I'm gonna make some manwich one day. This used to be so good, Sloppy Joe. I'm gonna get one because they got them on BOGO. But yeah, I love when I find stuff that I used to get as a kid. Oh, let me look over here. It's like I have to get different stuff at different stores. These little sheer things are on BOGO. Ooh, I may get this one. This one because it has Reese's in it. That's a good deal. And they have just the regular Reese's one. These are all on BOGO. So if you have a Publix by you, get you some, girl, or boy. Okay, so they got all like the Halloween set up. I don't know why they got the costumes up there because they ain't been rising up. But yeah, I'll be back though because they are playing music in here. Um, but I'll be back. Hey y'all, happy Friday. What in the world? Oh, sorry. I hope y'all are having a good start of your Friday. I just got back home. I actually went to Publix this morning we did some grocery shopping last night at Walmart and Aldi, but I went to Publix to finish up, and then we have to go to the municipal market and get some meats, some more meats, probably this weekend. So yeah, I am just working. I'm hoping this day go by fast. But yeah, I'm gonna make the peanut butter bars tonight that I was talking about yesterday. I'm gonna make those tonight, so I'll probably make a video. But yeah, I hope y'all have a good one, and I'll talk to y'all later. Bye. Okay, y'all. So I came on because my monstera plant just got delivered. So I wanted to show y'all. So hold on. Let me. Okay. I am just not getting into plants, y'all. So, like, live plants. Oh, it's so pretty. The hell? Hold on, y'all. Oh, I got it out. I didn't want dirt getting my carpet, so I had to take it out in the box. But it's so pretty. I love it. Look at this leaf. So pretty. All right, so this plant is gorgeous. It got on top of here, but I can just wipe it off of there. Yeah, I'm just going to fix my leaves. Some of the leaves broke off. I'm so sad about that. But it's so pretty. I love it. Just came in. So I'm just like pulling the leaves out. I have to go get a pot for it, so I'm probably gonna go to Home Depot. I'm excited. This is it, just from the top. Look at that. But I'm excited, y'all. Yay! All right, y'all. I'm going to Home Depot to get a pot for my plant that just came today. So, yeah. Okay, I'm in here. Look at these Christmas trees. I do want to get a white tree this year. It's so pretty. How much is it? It's $1.99. So pretty. We are definitely getting a white tree this year. I'm tired of green. It's something different. It's so pretty. I just want to show y'all that. And they have a black Santa. We don't do white Santas around here. They have a black Santa. It's 6 feet. Dancing. How much is this? I don't see how much it is, but it's good to know that Home Depot has all their Christmas stuff out. So I'll probably start shopping early. They have some really pretty stuff. Okay, back to why I came in here. Garden. In line at Ross. Kind of ready to take these braids out. I'm about to take them out next week. Probably. We'll see.
This is some of the stuff that I got. I love these shorts. They're so cute. Like an iridescent pink. Got these plates, holiday season coming up. I like to have nice plates, and I got some more at home, but I found these. These are so pretty. This is another good stuff. I found a really cute marble paper towel holder. This is so cute. Found some more glass mugs, some glass bowls. I found a lot of good stuff. I'll be back because they're playing music.
We are now at our favorite Chinese place, Orient Express. This is the best Chinese, hibachi, whatever. Sushi, only Chinese place we eat. Babe over there. But yeah. This is what we got. Curry, chicken, shrimp fried rice, sweet and sour chicken. It's so good. Okay, y'all. Alright, so we're in Target now. Target has some very cute stuff for the winter time. Look at this sweater. It's so cute. Right here it is down here too. So I'm probably gonna get this sweater. I got me a turtleneck. I love a good turtleneck, so I just got a flat turtleneck. This shirt by A New Day. So cute. And I found this one by Who What Wear. It's so cute. So yeah, I'm in here getting stuff that I should not probably be getting. They have so much cute stuff in here. We have a lot of new brands that I haven't seen. So yes, I will be back. I just want to show y'all that. Happy Sunday, y'all. I'm just not cooking. I guess this would be considered brunch now, but I am cooking, so I'm gonna show y'all what I'm making in a minute. Just making some pancakes, sausage, eggs today. Oh, my eyebrows and eyelashes. I gotta brush them out. But yeah, I'll be back in a minute. Here are my pancakes. Yeah. I love the crispy edges. Your pancakes don't got crispy edges on them. Don't want them. It's the best. This is the finished product. Egg, sausage, and I cut babes up already.
Yeah, my babe.
I am making me some hot tea. My throat is scratchy today, so choosing my electric kettle. Making me some hot tea. I love this kettle. It's so much better. It takes like 1 minute and it's already hot. So yeah. Alright, y'all. So I just kind of close the vlog out for today. It's really not anything going on today. We're just watching the Falcons game now. So I just kind of close the vlog out. I hope that y'all have enjoyed the vlog this far. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe. Leave some comments down below. I did see your comments from last week, so I will have some new content video coming, and I did just order me a new camera yesterday, so I'm so excited, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.